This is like the final recording on span tree, really. They should tell you everything about the election and how to tune it. That's why it's called the span tree election and tuning, right? And obviously, I'm going to use the this particular lab, which is from the CCNP, okay, with your switch up here and then 2 switches here, and we have this redundant links. Now, if you were to see this, this is it right here. Obviously, I don't have the same switches, the same connections, but we do have the physical topology layout is the same. Now, we're using pure gigabit. This is all gigabit. So I have just the cost of the default cost of gigabit, which is 4. Now, the first thing that we're going to do, because if you look again back at this diagram, it says that the root bridge is up here, and the root bridge is the lowest MAC address, system MAC address. These are the 2 highest ones. I'm going to highlight and then erase. So this right here is the lowest MAC address versus, you know what, I'm just going to draw and make things a lot simpler. Let me get a different color. Let's get green. Okay. And this right here, this MAC address right here, and this MAC address right here are the highest. And that's the same way that I'm going to go ahead and do, or that's already connected in the lab. So it should be blocking that port right there, and it should be blocking that port right there, and it should be blocking that port right there. So again, I'll put my face in here. All right, so it is the root bridge. This switch right up here is the root bridge because it has the lowest bridge ID. The lowest, oops, wrong button. The lowest bridge ID. All right, because it has the, look at the MAC address, it's 5,000,001. It is the lowest. And you can tell in the Cisco using EVNG that that's the way it goes. All right, if you're in a layer 2 environment, when dealing with spanning tree, it's going to affect the entire layer 2 topology because spanning tree cannot have a loop within its spanning tree layer 2 topology. It cannot. It must block the proper ports. All right, but ports will then change based on how we change cost, how we change priority numbers. Are we using loop guard? Are we using guard root? All these different things that we use to enhance, if you will, spanning tree, we're going to take a look at here. Okay, 4 plus 4 is 8. So something had to change.